As a postgraduate, they do see you as qualified in your field, and I think that helps a lot with confidence. Hi, I'm Molly. I study wildlife conservation and UAV technology at Liverpool John Moores University. I was drawn to Liverpool because of the actual course itself. It seemed like the best course in the UK. We've been out to Tanzania on a field course. I've got to see some amazing things. I got to see wild chimpanzees, the baboons, red-tailed monkeys. We've got to apply everything that we've learned. I chose to do a drone study. You don't have to do a drone study, but that's what I chose to do. So I got to see everything that I'd learned about drones applied to wildlife conservation. The lecturer support, you can't beat it. They're amazing. You take from it what you put in. So if you put in the work, they're going to be there for you all of the time. They're going to help you out. There is so much support at the university, even in terms of well-being, student well-being. I've been to one of my lecturers recently and said, I'm struggling a bit, it's getting a little bit too intense. And he said, well, we'll take it at your speed then. They don't just want to get you through the course and then see you off afterwards. They're there with you every step of the way, and they want to help you. Liverpool is a fantastic city. Everybody's so friendly, and I feel safe in the city. And there's just so much to do. I know I've been here for nearly 4 years now, and I still haven't seen or done everything that there is to do. It's exciting. It's a very exciting city.